In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working in Brave browser. If your microphone is not being detected or is not working properly while using websites in Brave, this can usually be caused by blocked permissions or incorrect browser settings. Even if your microphone is properly connected to your computer, Brave may still prevent websites from accessing it due to privacy settings. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a simple adjustment that can help restore microphone functionality in just a few steps. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once it is fully loaded, navigate to the top right corner of the window and open the main menu. From the list of options, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's configuration panel where all browser controls are managed. After entering the Settings page, look at the left-hand menu and select Privacy and Security. This section contains important controls related to website permissions and data access. Once inside, locate the area labeled Site and Shield Settings and open it to continue. Within this section, you will find a list of permissions that websites can request, including access to your camera and microphone. Scroll through the options until you reach the microphone settings. Here, you need to make sure that the option allowing websites to request microphone access is enabled. If it has been turned off, switch it back on so that sites are allowed to ask for permission to use your microphone. This setting is important because if it is disabled, websites will not even prompt you to allow microphone access, which can make it seem like your microphone is not working at all inside the browser. Next, check the device selection option for your microphone. Make sure the correct input device is chosen from the available list, especially if you have more than one audio device connected to your computer. Selecting the correct microphone ensures that Brave is using the proper input source. Once these settings are adjusted, your browser will be able to properly detect and request access to your microphone when needed. Most websites that require voice input should now function correctly without additional configuration. After completing these changes, you can close the settings page and return to your browsing activity. Brave will automatically apply the updated permissions, and your microphone should now work as expected across supported websites. And that is how you can fix microphone issues in Brave browser with a simple permission adjustment. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.